Okay, I'm back and I just want to update you guys and answer a lot of questions that I got on this tutorial. And by the way, thank you for all the love that I received on this tutorial that I did. And I realized that it's a lot of questions, and I thank you for the comments and the questions. I thank you for watching my video, and I just want to come and kind of go into more detail. Go into more detail about this hair and the process and everything, because I feel like I skipped a lot of detail that I want you guys to know, because a lot of you guys said that you love these twists, and I do too. And it's been about 2 weeks since I had them in, I believe, and they still look so good. So I'm going to come in here and talk about, I'm just going to get right into it and just talk about what am I going to talk about? Answer some of the questions that you guys had down in the comments, and I'll put your name down below the screen somewhere, and I'll just answer your questions on here, even though I did answer some of the questions in the comments, because you guys were showing me so much love and you had so many questions, and I just want to make sure that I go into further detail about these because they're so cute, right? Okay, so questions about the hair. Let's get right into it. Boom, boom, bam. So I took one out. Here's my hair. Oh, it kind of blends in, doesn't it? Cute. Okay, so I took one out, and let's talk about the hair. The hair is from Beyond Beauty. I'll have the link again in the description box. I was late putting it down before, but I'm not gonna be late this time. And you get like a good piece. So again, I used this already. I put it in, and then I just took it out to demonstrate for you guys. Everything out Louis. This can go over here, go over here. And we can put the okay, so can you see that? I just want to make sure you guys can see. Okay, this is my hair. As you can see, I split it into two pieces to prepare. And then somebody asked me, I'll put the name below, how much is each piece of hair worth? So with me, majority, I took one strand of hair that comes in a pack, and I believe 30 strands come into pack. 30 to 35, I believe, comes in the pack. And I had 3 packs. 3 packs come in one bundle. And I used every single strand, and actually I had to take and separate about 10 of them right here. And separate, see, I have 2. I separated one, then I separated this one. I'm not going to do it now, but I separated this one, and I used these 2 pieces for one strand of hair. You get it for one block, for one section, for one part, you know. But I'm going to use my 2. So you guys asked me, how did I get the length? I separated the hair, the one piece that it comes in. I separated it. This is already separated. And I kind of stretched it like this. I pulled it out, pulled and stretched, and I have my 2 pieces, and I put them together. I took my 2. Really, dog? This dog is always barking every morning. It wakes us up. I took my 2, and I kind of folded them together like so. Kind of pulled it out. So you see how stretch, length. You see that? Put them together. Took my 2, just like so. Attached one piece to that. Here's the other. Grab my hair with it. And started to braid. Braid 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I made sure my hair was with, I separated them with the synthetic hair, and then I started to twist. And I'm twisting to the left. See that? That's how you get it. Now, somebody else said in the comments that it doesn't matter which direction you twist. It just matters if you're twisting it. You're turning and twisting. Listen, I don't know all about that. That's not what I do. I only can teach you what I know, and this is the way I know. But that was a good tip, and I am going to try it one day. Okay, so now when I get to my hair, I'm going to go up like that, take my hair and put it over there, transfer it, and do that again with my hair, transfer, and keep going down. And you see these? It's okay to have those because it really doesn't matter. Then I'm just going to twist all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. And someone else said in the comments, I'll put your name down below, if I cut the hair. So I don't know if you mean, did I cut the hair in half to make two? Because I didn't. I showed you that I split it. Or do you mean, did I cut the ends? And yes, I cut the ends and I cut a lot off the ends because I see a lot of people who only cut a tiny bit. No, you gotta cut the whole straggly end so it can look nice like this at the end. You don't want any see-through ends, just like you don't with your regular hair, your natural hair. Oh, and that was another question. Is my hair natural or permed, and will it, they said natural or permed, and will it work on permed hair? I think you mean relaxed hair. My hair is not relaxed. It is natural, and I did blow dry it out. So this style can work on any hair texture as long as you use the right products. And another thing is, I use so much product. I use a lot. You look at my fingers. Product for days, moisturize for days. I wouldn't suggest using that much product if you want to wear this style for a long time. Oh, and that was another, okay, let me get to that. Don't use a lot of product because these twists will slip out of your hair at the base. Don't do it. Use a good amount to make sure your hair is moisturized, but I overdid it, which is okay with me because I'm going to take these out and I'll probably do another style, another tutorial for you guys. But if you are planning to wear this for a long time, just make sure your hair is moisturized enough. Don't go overboard like I did. I really souped it up. It was a lot. Don't do that. You see that? All done, nice and neat. And then after a while, these fatten up like these. They fatten up after a while. So those are, I'm trying to make sure I answer everybody's question. Oh, and another thing is, you guys asked me about the hair. Does it tangle? No, the hair does not tangle because I cut those ends off. If you don't cut those ends off, it will tangle. The hair is soft. And this video is not sponsored. I just want to answer you guys' questions. The hair is soft. It's bouncy. You see how I can run my fingers through the hair? It's because I cut those ends off. It's bouncy. It's not heavy at all. It's not heavy. And they look good, right? They look good. I just love pulling them. It took me about 8 hours to do my hair. I split it into 4 sections, and I did the back 2 first, and I did the top 2 second. I did the back 2. I started at like 5 o'clock at night. I went to bed, and I woke up and I did the rest. Make sure you have time because you don't want to go out the house looking crazy with these. And of course, the mistake that I did, because this is my first time using this hair, I started from the back, which I always do when I do braids, but with these I would not suggest doing that because you don't really know how much hair you need, and you never want to skimp on hair in the front of your hair. You can skimp on hair in the back, but I skimped on hair up here, and you can like kind of tell. I like to be fuller up in here, and it's not really fuller. It's fuller in the back, and I like my hair to be fuller here. So start in the front of your hair, the front sections, because if you need extra hair or if you're about to run out and you want to split the hair like I showed you in the beginning, how you split the hair and then use one strand for one piece of hair, for one block, you can do that and it won't look bad in the back. But it kind of, I'm paying for it when I want to do like a cute like this, and I don't like the way it looks right there. This is how I normally wear my hair, but I like it to be more fuller. It's like a space right here that I don't like, if you could tell. Let's see, can y'all see it? So start from the front when you're doing these. And I hope I answered all the questions. It took me about 8 hours. My hair is not relaxed. It's natural. The hair is from Beyond Beauty. And I just thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. Please share all my videos. Watch my videos. And subscribe, and I thank you guys for watching, and I will be back with another video. I'll show you how I'll style these twists, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.